Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about the latest tech and gadgets. In today's video, we are going to have a look at this POCO M4 5G smartphone. This is affordable but comes with high-end specs, dual SIM and latest 5G connection. In this review, we will be going through with the build, overall performance, camera and audio quality. If you are fancy getting one, please check the product link in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. In terms of the packaging, you will get a simple yellow box with the brand name and model details printed. Well, let's get this unboxed and see what you get inside. It comes with a SIM ejection tool, some POCO stickers, clear case, warranty details and user guide, then POCO M4 Pro smartphone, Type-C charging cable and last 33-watt power adapter. Having said that, clear case is perfect if you do not like bulk case but still want to protect your phone. Furthermore, this phone comes with a pre-installed screen protector to the screen. Let's deep dive into the design and the specifications. In terms of the look, it has a classic POCO design. You get a SIM card slot on one side and a volume controller, power button with the fingerprint sensor on the other side. Type-C charging port with 3.5mm headphone jack. Microphone with the speaker can be found bottom part. Finally, another set of speaker located on the top, as this is a dual speaker system smartphone. It measures about 16.3 by 7.5 cm with 0.87 cm thickness and weight is about 195 grams. It has non-removable 5000 mAh battery and you can fully charge it 0 to 100% within 59 minutes using the provided 33-watt charger. This smartphone is available in 3 color options and the one I got is power black. Also, it comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage or 6GB RAM and 128GB storage options with expandable memory up to 1TB using a microSD card. Moving on to the processing power, this smartphone comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 810 and it is built using a 6nm flagship process. It is equipped with an octa-core CPU with a clock speed of up to 2.4 GHz and a powerful ARM Mali G57 GPU. The upgraded configurations deliver substantial performance improvements. You can easily play and enjoy your favorite mobile games thanks to this smooth processing power. Connectivity-wise, you can use 2 SIM cards at the same time or 1 SIM with an SD card. Having 5G capability, you can experience a super fast internet connection and play online games or stream your favorite movies on the go. Also, it has Bluetooth 5.1 and built-in GPS connectivity. Moving on to the audio part of the smartphone, you still have the good old 3.5mm audio input and dual speakers built in for perfect listening experience. .6 inches Full HD Plus dot display has maximum 90Hz refresh rate. It is a Gorilla Glass 3 protected screen and it has a very thin bezel around the display. Also, you can easily use and see clearly when outside thanks to the sunlight display technology. Furthermore, this display is perfect for watching video and play games. The colors are rich and decent to watch because of DCI P3 wide color gamma display. The touch response is smooth and responds really well. Furthermore, you can manually select the refresh rate between 90 to 60 Hz from the display settings. And more importantly, it has 240 Hz touch sampling rate, which is perfect when gaming. Front, you can see 16MP wide f2.45 aperture punch-hole design front face camera, perfect for both selfies and group selfies. Moving on to the back, you get a dual camera setup with a flash. It has a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and 8MP ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture. These are the samples taken from the main camera. The colors and details are rich and clean. The camera comes with Pro mode, which allows you to select between ultra wide and wide options and available to access all the manual settings including ISO, white balance, shutter speed. Furthermore, you can enable 50 megapixel Ultra HD mode and many more features under this option. On standard photo mode, you can enable HDR and add filters. Moving on to the portrait mode, it produces a decent depth of field effect. Also, it comes with panorama mode, night mode, slow motion modes under the more option. In terms of the video recording, you can shoot 720p at 30 fps and 1080p at both 30 and 60 fps. Image stabilization is not the best, but compared to the other smartphones with similar specs, this is a winner. Moving on to the built-in sensors, you get ambient light sensor, gyroscope, accelerometer, electronic compass and IR blaster with this smartphone. Speaking about the software part, this mobile phone has Android 11 version with MIUI 12.5 launcher. You can customize the interface completely and you can download and have custom themes. Also, you can swipe from the top to get the control center for quick access and you can add remove widgets to the screen. Also, you can have your important apps to be locked for privacy. Having said that, in terms of phone security, this phone has side-mounted fingerprint sensor that responds really well. And also you can have Face ID, standard pin code or pattern lock to unlock your device. Moving on to the screen mirror part, I was able to mirror this smartphone with my Samsung smart monitor without any issues. However, I can notice about a second delay when syncing between the phone and the smart monitor. With that all being said, still can receive phone calls and do text messages as usual. The keyboard can be accessed and navigate easily. Well, my honest opinion about this smartphone is this is a well-built, fully loaded with decent specs for the price. I wish this comes with a wireless charging feature which I am so used to. Performance speed is really good when I play games and do multitasking. More importantly, really pleased with having 5G connection as this is a perfect future-proof smartphone. Battery life is much better than I thought and I am really pleased with overall performance. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this POCO M4 Pro 5G smartphone. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribing to see more videos like this. Well, see you again with another one and stay safe.